Welcome to one of the world's most million cookie factories.
Production begins with the foundation of every cookie, premium wheat flour, delivered in bulk tanker trucks.
Towering storage silos hold hundreds of thousands of pounds of flour. These sealed tanks protect the flour from...
What makes Oreo cookies their distinctive dark color? Cocoa powder. This rich, dark cocoa gives Oreo... Sugar plays multiple roles, providing sweetness, helping achieve the right texture, and contributing to that satisfying crunch when you bite into an Oreo cookie. Vegetable oil provides moisture and helps create Oreo's characteristic texture, crisp yet tender. The oil also helps.
A cookie factory is like a carefully choreographed symphony. Corn syrup, leavening agents, salt.
Leavening agents like baking soda and baking powder are measured with precision. They control how much the cookies rise during baking, ensuring that perfect, flat, crisp wafer.
Natural and artificial flavorings give Oreo its distinctive taste. Vanilla adds sweetness and depth, while chocolate...
Flour is sifted to remove any lumps and incorporate air. The cocoa powder also receives special treatment, sifted for smoothness and sometimes Dutch processed for deeper color.
The heart of cookie production, industrial planet mixers.
First, all dry ingredients are pre-mixed. Flour, cocoa powder, sugar, leavening agents, and salt.
Now the wet ingredients join in: vegetable oil, corn syrup, vanilla extract, and chocolate flavoring.
The mixer's powerful paddle works the ingredients together. Mixing time is carefully controlled, enough to create uniform dough.
Quality technicians test the dough consistency. It should be firm but pliable, dark brown from the cocoa, and completely uniform with no streaks or dry spots. Dough temperature matters. Too warm and it becomes sticky, too cold and it's hard to work with. Precise temperature control ensures the dough will sheet and cut perfectly. After mixing, the dough rests briefly. This allows the flour's gluten to relax and ingredients to fully hydrate, making...
The sheeting line stands ready, a series of precisely calibrated rollers that will transform chunks of dark dough into thin...
Large blocks of dough are fed into the sheeting system. The first set of rollers begins the process, gradually compressing and spreading the dough as it moves forward.
The dough passes through multiple sets of rollers, each gap slightly narrower than the last. This progressive rolling creates uniform thickness without overworking the dough.
Laser gauges continuously measure sheet thickness. For Oreo wafers, the dough must be rolled to approximately 3 to 4 millimeters.
The result is a continuous ribbon of dark chocolate-colored dough, smooth, uniform, and ready for the next critical step.
Notice the smooth, uniform surface of the dough, that rich, dark brown color from the cocoa, the consistent thickness. Now comes one of the most recognizable steps, cutting the dough into those perfect Oreo circles, complete with the iconic
Rotary cutters spin at high speed, stamping out perfect cookie circles while embossing the iconic Oreo design.
Each cookie receives the famous Oreo embossing, the name surrounded by decorative flowers and dots, a trademark design for over a century.
Dough between cookies is collected and recycled back into production, minimizing waste.
Freshly cut cookies move toward the baking tunnel, ready to transform into crisp wafers.
The tunnel oven maintains 375 degrees Fahrenheit, the perfect temperature to bake Oreos crispy without burning.
Inside, different temperature zones ensure even baking throughout each wafer. As cookies travel through heat, moisture evaporates and the signature crisp texture develops. Perfectly baked wafers emerge crispy and dark, with the Oreo embossing still clearly visible.
Hot cookies exit at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and move immediately to cooling conveyors.
The cooling system uses fans to bring cookies down to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, cool enough to handle but warm enough for cream adhesion.
As they cool, the structure sets permanently, locking in that signature Oreo crunch. Any imperfect cookie is automatically removed. Only flawless wafers continue to cream filling. These perfect wafers are ready for the next step, receiving that sweet white cream filling.
In a separate area, the cream filling is being prepared, the sweet white center that makes Oreo special.
The cream is mostly powdered sugar, ultra-fine confectioner's sugar that creates that smooth filling.
Vegetable shortening gives the filling its smooth, spreadable texture and helps hold the cookies together.
Industrial mixers blend sugar, shortening, and vanilla into smooth, bright, white cream filling.
The finished cream is brilliant white and completely smooth, the perfect consistency for spreading between cookies.
The prepared cream flows through a network of pipes to precision dispensing equipment. Precision dispensers will apply exactly the right amount of cream to each cookie, about 2 to 3 grams per wafer.
Each nozzle delivers cream with millimeter precision, ensuring consistent filling on every Oreo. Perfect timing positions each cookie under a nozzle, thousands per minute, each one precisely aligned. Watch as dispensers apply perfect dollops of white cream to the center of each dark wafer.
The amount is precisely controlled, enough cream to spread evenly, but not so much it squeezes out.
Cream-filled wafers move to the sandwich assembly station, where they'll receive their top cookie.
A second line delivers top wafers, perfectly timed to meet the cream-filled bottoms.
Look at that contrast. Brilliant white cream sitting perfectly on the dark chocolate wafer. But an Oreo isn't complete.
A second wafer is precisely positioned above the cream-filled cookie. Alignment is critical. The two wafers
Gentle but firm pressure brings the two wafers together, spreading the cream filling evenly across the cookie while maintaining that perfect ring of exposed wafer around the edge. And there it is, a perfect Oreo cookie. 2 dark chocolate wafers sandwiching sweet white cream with just the right amount of filling peeking out around the edges.
Freshly assembled Oreos move through a brief settling period. This allows the cream to bond firmly to both wafers, ensuring the cookie won't fall apart when handled or packaged. Every Oreo undergoes quality inspection. Inspectors and vision systems check wafer alignment, cream distribution.
Wafer alignment is crucial for that premium appearance. Both cookies should be centered, with the embossed designs aligned if possible.
The cream filling should be visible all around the cookie's edge, a consistent white ring showing proper distribution.
Precision scales verify each cookie's weight. A properly assembled Oreo should weigh approximately 11 to 12 grams.
The embossed Oreo design should still be clearly visible after assembly and pressing. Sharp, legible embossing indicates
Any Oreo that doesn't meet quality standards is automatically diverted. These rejected cookies might have misaligned.
Improved Oreos, perfect in every way, continue their journey toward packaging. Soon they'll be protected in those iconic blue packages that Oreo fans know and love.
Cookies are gently placed into clear plastic trays. These trays aren't just for show, they prevent cookies from sliding around and breaking during shipping and handling.
The distinctive blue Oreo wrapper, instantly recognizable worldwide. This packaging protects the cookies.
The sealed package shows the cookies through a clear window while displaying the Oreo logo prominently. Nutritional information, ingredients, and best.
Each package receives date codes, production date, and best by date. This ensures consumers get fresh cookies and provides complete traceability through the supply chain.
Individual packages are loaded into larger cartons, those iconic boxes you see on store shelves.
The retail carton displays multiple cookie sleeves attractively while reinforcing the Oreo brand. Bold blue colors, the iconic logo.
Some boxes become variety packs, combining regular Oreos with double stuff, golden, or other varieties. This gives consumers.
Display boxes are now organized for case packing. These shipping cases will protect multiple retail cartons during transportation to warehouses and stores.
Sturdy corrugated shipping cases are erected from flat blanks. These heavy-duty boxes must withstand stacking, handling.
Display cartons are systematically loaded into shipping cases. Proper packing orientation prevents damage and makes unloading at stores efficient for retail workers. Cases are sealed with strong packaging tape. The closure must be secure enough to survive the rigors of shipping, stacking in warehouses, and delivery to retail locations. Each shipping case receives comprehensive labeling, product description, quantity, UPC codes, handling instructions. Inline scales verify each case contains the correct weight of product. This catches packing errors before kills. The palletizing area is where individual cases become full pallets. Organized stacks of hundreds.
Standard wooden pallets provide the foundation. These platforms must support significant weight. A full pallet of
Robotic palletizers stack cases with remarkable precision. Each case is placed in a specific pattern that maximizes.
Notice the stacking pattern. Each layer rotates 90 degrees from the one below. This interlocking arrangement.
Pallet height is carefully monitored. Too tall, and the load becomes unstable or won't in trucks and warehouses.
stretch wrap film winds around the entire pallet, binding all cases into a single stable unit. This prevents shifting during handling and protects against. A completed pallet holds hundreds of pounds of Oreo cookies, thousands of individual packages, all perfect. Each pallet receives an identification tag with complete tracking information, product details, case quantities. Barcode scanners record each pallet in the warehouse management system. This digital tracking provides real-time visibility of Oreo inventory levels and locations.
Industrial forklifts move the completed pallets to warehouse storage. These powerful machines handle the heavy loads efficiently.
The warehouse maintains consistent temperature and humidity, protecting Oreos from heat that could melt cream filling and moisture.
Inside the warehouse, pallets are systematically organized by production date and destination. This enables
Advanced software manages the entire inventory, tracking every pallet's location, age, and destination.
Quality doesn't stop at packering. Random pallets are selected for audit. Packages are opened. Cookies are examined.
At the loading docks, pallets are staged for truck loading. Orders are carefully matched with delivery schedules.
Forklifts load pallets into truck trailers. Careful positioning maximizes truck capacity while ensuring
Regular maintenance keeps the cookie factory running smoothly. From mixers to ovens to packaging equipment,
Between production runs, comprehensive cleaning occurs. Every surface that contacts ingredients or cookies is cleaned.
Continuous training ensures our team maintains the highest skills, from food safety to equipment.
worker safety is paramount. Protective equipment, proper training, safeguards on machinery, and strict protocols.
Sustainability matters at every step. Dough scraps are recycled. Packaging materials are sourced responsibly.
Real-time monitoring tracks every aspect of production, processing rates, quality measures.
Quality teams regularly meet to analyze production data, identify improvement opportunities, and implement enhancements.
Zones, creating millions of iconic Oreo sandwich cookies daily, demonstrating over 110 years of expertise, combining.
This is the final result. Perfect Oreo cookies, each one made with care, quality ingredients,